back to the channel. I'm doing one of the last major projects on my car before it is fully running. So this is huge. If you've been here from the beginning, this is almost half a year in now, and the car is about to be running. Today I am building the body harness. After that, I will be able to crank the car for the first time in what feels like forever. I actually already redid the engine harness when I first got the car. So let's get started. Alright, so this is all the stuff for the body harness. I'm sure I'll end up getting more stuff. I got this off of Amazon. It's a generic body harness, 8-circuit kit. Came with the tubing for the end, a bunch of like shrink tubing. Got more here, some wire, crimpers and cutters, purple wire, pink wire, and white wire. Got a bunch of fuses, more terminal ends. This is what I hope will turn into the anti-lad button. It's a project for another day. And more of these. Got an awesome freaking panel. Bunch of switches, and there'll be a push start right here. I got another one, and it's a color, so I can add some color to all my switches. Fuel level gauge. I also got these battery tables that are awesome. Ooh, and I got more switches, DK. I got a double on switch, a 3-way switch for the blinkers whenever I am on the road driving to the track. Show you guys my tachometer. This is gonna be mounted right above the steering wheel. So I'll have to wire this up as well. Also came with a shift light. There's one thing that I don't have here, which is the master power kill switch. So I'm gonna go to the store later and grab one of those, but for now I'm just gonna get started. Finished clearing everything out of here, and we're gonna start to lay out body harness so that you make sure the wires reach where they need to reach and everything fits well in the car. DK said he's gonna start laying out the body harness while I do a really quick parts run. This shouldn't take me that long, so I'm gonna do that really quick and get back to the shop. Right, just got back to the shop. DK and Matt already secured the body harness to the car. So it is bolted in right here, and now we're just measuring out the rest of the wires. So this goes from the front all the way to the back, and that is for fuel pump and tail lights. So I'm gonna start securing it to the frame with these. Alright, so I got 3 clamps in. Put one up here, one right here, and one right here. I'm gonna add another one right here, and then wait to add any more until this is completely wired up. Master chill switch, which DK is wiring up right now. Awesome. Master chill switch. And dope battery tables. I was able to just really quick bore out the hole so that this push start engine start button fits. So this is just ready to get all wired up. Voila. I love switches. It's just so satisfying. Just like gets you in the zone. This push start will replace this crappy push start that I have coming up through the shifter right now. Yeah, it's pretty bad. So no more of this very soon. All right, so these are the battery cables connected to the master kill switch. DK wired these up. It also goes down here where it is already loomed and ready to connect to the starter so that the push start works. We're gonna route it to the starter through the firewall, through that hole up there. Already a hole there, might as well use it. We're not actually gonna wire the starter up right now, but just to help get a visual, shoved it over there in the corner. Looking good. So DJ had to leave, so we're gonna finish up the bulk of the actual wiring tomorrow. But we made a lot of progress today. We got a lot of stuff laid out, and honestly, I'm realizing with this body harness wiring process, this is one of the biggest parts of it. So we have where the battery's gonna go, the cables from the battery, it's already hooked up to the master kill switch. We got the push start that's gonna go all the way to the starter, wired up, loomed up, ready to be pushed back there and connected to the starter. We also have the fuel pump and tail light wires wired up. They're connected here. They fall all the way down, even got them clamped in today. And it goes all the way back here, where it will meet with the fuel pump and the tail light. The body harness kit mounted to the frame. Our switches are already ready. One thing that has been really annoying when we're trying to lay stuff out and get a visual for everything is the fact that the dash is not secure. Okay, it keeps moving around, and it would just be really nice to have this secure and the face on it secured as well. So instead of riveting this, I was thinking I might just bolt it in with where there is already places to bolt stuff. After that top part is secured, I will rivet this on just like that. So I figured that's what I could get done now and put us in a better starting position for tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. Nice. Look, they're black on the front.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
They came with them?
Yeah, they came with them. Yeah, they're really nice. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Wow. It looks so good. Look at that. So these are the rivets that came with the kit. They look great. They're already black on the outside and they look awesome. Alright, so the dash install turned out really awesome. The rivets that came with the kit look really good. They're already black, matches everything, and it looks really good. I know I already saw what it looked like before, but now actually having it mounted in the car, so cool. I'm gonna try and show you what I'm imagining for this piece that I still need to have made or make myself for the dash. So I'm really wanting like a GT style panel. It's just gonna come more towards me. So like this is it flat, and it's gonna bring it more towards me and also extend the space that I have for switches and this special technology that I'm installing. You can kind of get a feel of what I'm going for. Sort of sports car-y, and gives me a lot more room to play with for the switches. I've been just sitting in here for so long, staring at the dash, trying to figure out where everything should go and imagine it, and this is what I've come up with so far. Okay, so the tap is gonna go right here. Because of this lip though, I am gonna have to make like a spacer out of wood or something so that it comes forward more. We still have to hole saw a place for the rack to come up, but that'll be easy enough. And this was the hard decision that I've been contemplating. So I think I'm gonna have this switch panel actually to the side like this, have it to the side right here so they flip to the left, and these will be all of the like fun switches. So lights, maybe I got some underglow going on, maybe some interior lights, I'm not sure yet, maybe just headlights. I'll probably put this fuel level gauge somewhere on the panel right here. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I've just been trying to visualize where I'm going to be putting everything. There's just so much stuff. Oh, and I forgot about this guy. This guy is my 3-way switch I'm gonna use for blinkers. I think I'm gonna wait and figure out where this guy's gonna go once I see what everything looks like. So I just couldn't help myself. I got really excited about more switches in the car and just thought I would go ahead and install it now. Oh my god, I wish I had something to turn on and off right now. Guys, it is seriously almost midnight. It's 11:40 p.m. That is how like lost I just got in my car. I'm really just trying to make tomorrow go as smooth as possible. Time kind of got away from me, but solid work put in tonight, and tomorrow we're just gonna finish up wiring all the switches and the rest of the wires for the body harness. I'm gonna go home, try and get some sleep, and be back at it again tomorrow.